17th of June, 1977, Tancos Air Base, Portugal. Rodrigues is now retired from the military and no longer talks about this shocking event. But his case was the subject of a full investigation by the Portuguese Air Force. UFO investigator Francisco Correa has obtained access to the military files on the incident.
This is a Dornier 27, a plane exactly like the one flown by Francisco Rodrigues. On the day of the encounter, he would have been flying solo.
Although just 23 years old, Rodrigues is an experienced pilot, a sergeant with over 800 flying hours behind him. Rodrigues is flying over Castelo de Bode, a hydroelectric dam 85 miles from Lisbon.
And when almost completing that turn, he screamed. The control tower heard his scream.
At 2,000 feet, Rodrigues is face to face with something completely inexplicable.
At 11 o'clock, there was a big, round-shaped, dark object, about 12 to 15 meters wide. It stood there for 5-6 seconds, and it then, wow, went away.
As the UFO disappears, his Dornier begins to vibrate violently. Suddenly, the magnetic compass spins wildly out of control. And from an altitude of 2,000 feet, the plane slips into a dramatic nosedive. Just above the dam, he manages to stabilize the Dornier. As Rodrigues slips into his nosedive, workers at the Castelo de Bode dam are dealing with an emergency of their own.
At the same time, pilot Rodrigues was experiencing his falling to the ground with this airplane. This hydroelectric dam was experiencing a huge, unexplainable drop of energy.
This is Francisco Rodrigues' report from the Castelo de Bode case. The letter from Air Force, as you can see here. The summary of his own case, Rodrigues' case. And the report from pilot. Report from a sighting of an unidentified flying object.